Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you guys are tuning in from. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. If you don't know, Sephora is having their sale right now, so I picked up a bunch of goodies from in-store and then also online. I figured I would just show you guys everything that I got. Also, quickly, yes, I am wearing a hat. I typically don't wear hats while I film, but I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. My hair is supposed to be washed today. I typically don't film today, but because the sale is going on and I just got my package, I was like, I'm just gonna film. And I ran out of dry shampoo. I now repurchased it from Sephora because I don't have any. It's my favorite dry shampoo. And so I put on this hat. Now you know, so let's get into this haul. Alright, typically I post these Sephora videos right away as soon as the sale starts, but this year I did not make VIB Rouge, so I got knocked down to just VIB, which honestly it was expected. I knew it was gonna happen. I thought it was actually gonna happen last year, and last year I stayed a Rouge, but this year I'm back to being VIB, so I did have to wait a little bit longer to place an order, and there's still time left to purchase. If you see anything that you like, it'll all be linked in the description, and you can still use the sale code. It's still going on until April 11th, I believe, and this video is going up tomorrow, which will be April 9th. I got a bunch of stuff. This is what's inside. First things first, beauty blender. I feel like always during the sales I pick up beauty blenders. This is the one I went for this time. It came with this really cute case. This is what's inside. So there's the case, the beauty blender, and then the washing mat and a soap. And this was only like $3 more than just the beauty blender by itself. I absolutely love the black one. I did buy a pink one not too long ago in this set, and I just don't like the pink one. I could definitely tell a difference from using the pink one and the black one. If you are somebody that loves the pink one, I highly suggest just trying the black one. I love it so much more. Something about it is just so much better than the pink one in my opinion, so ran to get this one as soon as the sale started. This is just the beauty blender. It does grow big when you wash it. The case is very nice and sturdy, great to travel in and to store the beauty blender, which is why I love it. And then it comes with a good size soap, the little wash mat with a cute little heart, and then inside it has a little divider, so you can put the soap and the mat on one side and the beauty blender in the other. And then it does have ventilation holes, which is great for the beauty blender. Honestly, it is a little pricey, but I have tried other sponges and none of them live up to the black beauty blender. Like, this is just elite in my opinion and definitely a staple, so I needed to pick this one up. You can also just pick up the beauty blender if you want, save like $3, but it's a good deal for all of this. I think this one was limited edition though, because they didn't have the black one last time, which is why I got the pink one. Next up, I got something that I wanted to get during the holiday sale, but I passed on it, and then they came out with a limited edition one. This is the Laneige Sleep Mask in Cherry Blossom. So it is a limited edition one. It is currently sold out right now on Sephora. I've been just checking the website to see if it would go back in stock, but it has been sold out. I'm hoping it's cherry scented. It actually smells like a cherry blossom. I don't know why I didn't think it would smell like the actual like flower. It's a cute baby pink color, and then it comes with this little applicator brush for it, which is really cute, and I like that it comes in its own packaging. But yeah, this has a very like light scent to it. Definitely smells like the flower, but it's not something very strong. Like, you can honestly barely even tell that this has a scent, which in my opinion is good because your lips are right under your nose. If you put something very strong scented, you're going to be smelling it all day, so if you don't like the scent, probably wouldn't be a good thing. But this one I really like actually, so I am going to keep this one. And again, limited edition, packaging is cute, so I figured I would just pick it up. It was the same price as the other ones. Next up, some things that I did not get on sale. The Ordinary. These are my ride or die staples. I have the Ordinary silicone primer. This is my absolute favorite primer, ride or die. I've been using it for so long and I just always restock, but they never go on sale during the Sephora sale. So this is it. Super inexpensive. I think it's like under $10 and it works great in my opinion. I have been using this for like 3-4 years now. I will not use another primer. Like, this is the best primer in my opinion. And then this is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, which I have just fallen in love with this product. And I got another one, a smaller one, during the last sale. I'm already like more than 75% done that little container, so I did get the bigger size, which this is the bigger size, and again it was like around $10. This is phenomenal. I absolutely love this product. It makes my skin so hydrated and just like glowy. Absolutely love it. So I did pick it up in the bigger bottle. I was like, might as well. I already know I love it. I use it all the time. And again, I am not VIB Rouge, so I don't get free shipping on all my orders anymore, which is a little like different. I have been VIB Rouge for so many years. I can't remember the last time I wasn't a VIB Rouge. So yeah, now I don't get free shipping. So I was like, might as well add this to the cart since I'm getting the total up there anyways. Moving on, I got another staple ride or die. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I absolutely rave about this product all the time. Love it. So good. I got a travel size though, because I went to Banff and Victoria with my boyfriend. I had brought the bigger size Urban Decay setting spray, and it was just half full. It wasn't even the full product. The tube was half full, and I figured, okay, there's still like less millimeters in there. They can see that, you know, it's a big container, but not everything's in there. Like, it's empty. No, I was wrong. They took away the entire bottle. They didn't let me get on the plane with the bottle, and she told me it was because the container was too big. It didn't meet the requirements, yada yada yada. Anyways, I was upset because that is expensive, and your girl might be traveling again very, very soon, which I'm excited for. My boyfriend and I are still kind of planning it, but in like a month, kind of, we might be hopping on another plane. And I was like, I'm gonna get the mini version. Hopefully they let this on the plane. It's the travel size. I think it's like, it's very tiny. If they take this away, I'm just gonna be so upset. Hopefully they don't, fingers crossed. But yeah, so I picked this one up because I'm not going to the mistake again of bringing the bigger one and having them take it away, because I was not having it. I was so upset. Moving on, we got free samples. Obviously, always need to get your samples when you're shopping. I got the Tom Ford like little perfume sampler in wood. I just really wanted to try Tom Ford. What? Is Tom Ford for men or for women? I think there's both, or it can be unisex. I think this is more of like a manly scent. I would give it like 5 out of 10. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I think I might actually give this to my boyfriend, see what he likes. I think that is a manly scent. And then the next one is Tom Ford. We got ombre leather, which I can't put this on my wrist. We'll put it here for now. Oops, that was a lot. Absolutely no. I'm just gonna throw that away. Absolutely not. Moving on. Oh my gosh, now it smells very, very strong. I'm gonna wash my hands. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. That did not completely get off of my hands. I can still kind of smell it, but it's not as bad as it was before. So next up, what I picked up in store. I actually had 2 things I wanted, and one of them got canceled. I really wanted to try the Rare Beauty blushes. I feel like they are going viral everywhere. Everybody raves about them. I wanted to pick it up in store. I saw one store had it, because like everything is sold out on the website except like this one very red shade, I believe, and it's just not my shade. So I found this one store at this one mall that I just so happened to be needing to go to, and so I did the in-store pickup and everything, and then they canceled my order right as I was going there. So I still picked up the second thing I wanted. The second thing was kind of just like meh, kind of want to try it. I'll explain why in a little, but the main thing was the Rare Beauty blush. Anyways, they didn't have it, but I did go to the store and I did put like the little sampler thingy, the tester, on my hand. I don't see the hype, if I'm being honest. Let me know if you like Rare Beauty. Maybe obviously because it's like I put it on my hand. A little goes a long way, that's for sure. I barely touched my skin and there was just like a huge blob of product on my skin, and I was like, whoa. But at the same time too, like, I don't know if I would love it, but it does look good on people. So let me know if you like Rare Beauty blushes and what your favorite shade is, because maybe I'll find it before the sale is over. But yeah, anyways, second thing I got was the Laneige, just the regular lip product. So this was the sleep balm mask kind of thing that they have, but I know people also wear this just every day, not even to bed. But I wanted to try this one. It is the grapefruit one. I usually like the original one, but I feel like the red tint was just a lot for me. This one was more of like a peachy kind of orange tint. I wish they kind of had like a clear one. Let me see. Oh my gosh, now every time I go to smell this, I can just smell the Tom Ford. Not a fan. I do love how this applies. It's more of like an orangey tint. See, it's still kind of bright. Like, that's what I'm like trying to avoid, is color pigmentation. I kind of wanted clear. Smell wise, can't tell you how it smells because this perfume is so overpowering, even though I scrubbed my hands with soap so many times. And they actually included samples at the store, which I didn't know they did. This is the Diva Curl Leave-In Conditioner. So they included this. They also included a NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation little tester. So that's everything I bought at the Sephora sale. I'm not really like into like eyeshadows or like a heavy makeup kind of girl. I don't wear eyeliner, I don't wear eyeshadow. Like, I'm very simple in my makeup routine, as you guys can see. But I did find other products that I need to mention in this video because they are makeup related, and number one being the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. This just launched in Canada in like Shoppers Drug Mart. As soon as they announced it on their Instagram, I ran to Shoppers. I got ready, I got my keys in the car, and I'm so happy that I picked these up. I can see what the hype is about. I heard about these for so long and never ordered it online because I didn't know my shade, but I was able to go check out the shades in store. I have been wearing this CC cream, my favorite, my actual favorite, and it has SPF 30. Amazing. I love it. Highly recommend it. I think it was like $12. Did pick up 2 shades though because I couldn't find my perfect match, but mixing these two, as you can see, matches me pretty well. So I did go with this one. This is what it looks like. Absolute 10 out of 10. Very inexpensive. It'll obviously be cheaper if you can find like a shade that fits you perfectly, but again, I had to mix and match. They don't have that big of a shade range. At least they didn't at that Shoppers. Color correcting full coverage natural finish. I honestly don't think it's a full coverage, but I feel like it also leaves my skin looking very hydrated and just glowy, but the glowiness is also because of another product that I'm going to mention in a second. But this is how it looks, and it's just a little pump over here. I honestly just like pump it onto my skin kind of around, and then I do the same one for the other. I just like pump it around and then beauty blend it. I love it. It lasts forever. I wear it to waitressing. 10 out of 10. Recommend that. Also, since I was at Shoppers, I picked up a new mascara, Ride or Die mascara. This is the one I always wear and I've been wearing since forever. My boyfriend's sister actually put me onto this mascara like 5-6 years ago. Have not used another one. Actually, I did mix it at one point with Better Than Sex mascara, but this is so good. It's like $5. It's Essence Lash Princess, the green tube. Get the green tube. And next, my glowy skin. So I don't know if you can tell, but my skin is just like more glowy. It does have to do with the e.l.f. products that I mentioned, but also this beautiful little Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Youth Glow little thing. This is it. It's sold at Sephora. I will have it linked down below. It has been hyped up through the internet for good reason. It's just amazing. I actually put it under my foundation and then it just like kind of like shows through the foundation, if that makes sense. Amazing. This is the little mini size. They also have the bigger size. A little pricey, yes, so I would suggest getting it now that there's a sale. Even like 10% off, 15%, 20% is a good steal for this because it is pricey. This is the mini one. They have a bigger one. I stuck to mini because I wanted to test it out first, but I will actually be repurchasing this one also. To go with that, Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. So good. I love it. I've been using it also. It's on my face right now. Again, glowy, the best. I just absolutely love this. I do have this one, and I did have a mini size also. Charlotte Tilbury was nice enough to send me this and the other one as well. They sent me a bunch of products, which so grateful, and I still can't believe that. That was crazy. Charlotte Tilbury sent me stuff. insane. But yeah, so I did use the mini one first, and now I'm on to the bigger bottle. Definitely look into picking this up during the sale, and also Sephora has a good return policy. You can return something if you don't like it. And then lastly, the dry shampoo. The one that I repurchased. This is the Sol de Janeiro hair dry shampoo. Again, the company was nice enough to send this to me. It's empty. Like, it's completely empty, and I forgot to repurchase it. So I am gonna go to the Sephora site right now, repurchase this because my hair needs it. I love it. It leaves your hair wet at first, and then after a while I just like mix it all in. You can't even tell that there's dry shampoo. My hair's not gray, it's not ashy. It looks just as good, and it's very volumizing, and the smell is so good. It smells just like the Bum Bum cream, so if you like that smell, you're gonna love this. And just even smelling it like that, like, it smells so good. But it is a strong fragrant kind of smell, so if you don't like very strong fragrances, wouldn't recommend this one, but I personally don't mind it if it smells good. If I went through all of this, you know it's a good product, so highly recommend that. Again, I will have it linked because you can't find it at Sephora. So those are like my recommendations, but also what I got during the Sephora sale. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We're trying to get to 12,000. We are so close, and I'm trying to get it before my birthday, which is May 31st. So subscribe, join this fun little community that we're building here on my channel. I love you guys so much. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.